Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Okay, looking at the US 100 here, so it's traded up, it's overextended, it's traded into this level back here. You can see it's a level, resistance, and a few things about this chart. We've got this thin leg, imbalance. If I grab the Fibonacci, we could pull a fib. I think it's due for a pullback. Levels I'd be looking at would be the 61.8 to 786 fib zone. So I'm looking to short this, definitely. Just go down to the 4 hour, have a quick look at it, then we'll look for entry. So we've got this imbalance through here, and on the 4 hour you can see this thin leg as well. Okay, point of interest for me is going to be this key level here. Trade back down into that. Again, pull your fib, and I think that would fib retrace. Kind of works out. 61.8786 around that zone. This order block back down here. It's definitely pushed up, and we have an imbalance. So I think this trades back to fill the gap. Now you could pull an imbalance zone through there. So that's what I'm looking for. Market's looking for two things: one, liquidity, and an imbalance. It's starting to trade now. So I'm actually short this at the moment. Targets, well, you've got that level there, and T1 and T2 would be down here. That'd be my second target. If we go down to 5 minutes, starting to rotate. So you could wait for a retest of this range, something like that. Retest and fail of that, and that would be a reasonable short. Okay, guys, join my Discord. I'm in there all through the Asian session and into the London session, posting great stuff for traders. The link is below. It's in my signature. Join me. I'd love to see you in there. So with that, guys, that's my take on the US 100.